So we are here today solving another question from Cognizant SDE Sheet. I am solving this sheet as I have Cognizant coding round in the next few days. Not coding round, that means my college is having Cognizant placement in the next few days, likely in the at the end of the month. So today we are going to solve this question: sum of middle elements of two sorted arrays. Okay, so this is the question. Given two sorted arrays of same size, okay, A and B, the task is to find the median of the arrays obtained after merging A and B. So I am going to solve this in brute force. First, let's say, okay, so what I am going to do is we are going to first merge A plus B. Okay, I am going to create a temporary ARR equal to A plus B that will contain all the elements, and then sort it actually, A plus B, then ARR dot sort. Okay, then I will have this type of array. Okay, after merging and sorting all the elements, now I will find the middle two elements. How to find the middle two elements? Okay, so for this example, how many elements are there? Let's try another ink. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 10 elements. So 10 by 2 equal to 5. Actually is 10 by 2 equal to 5. So fifth element and 10 by 2 minus 1th element, 10 by 2th element and 10 by 2 minus 1th element, that means 4, 15. So I have to return what we have to return, so how the output is 16. Okay, so median means the average of these two, 15 plus 17 by 2 equal to 16. So how do I know, you may ask that, how do I know that there are two middle elements? As the question says, two arrays of the same size, we know that a number can be either even or odd. So if there are two elements, therefore both are even and both are odd. So we know that even plus even is also even, and odd plus odd is also even. Therefore the merged array that we will get will always be even. That means even array elements will have two middle elements. That is how I know that there are two middle elements, and to find the median we have to find the average of these two elements. Okay, so what I am going to do is, at first I will take array as input. Okay, now I will write a function and call it directly inside print. So median of two sorted arrays, and send answer ARR as our parameter. Now let's define our function median of two sorted arrays and take ARR as our parameter. Now what I'm going to do is, at first we are going to create, okay, so we need to take two array elements A and B and send A and B as our parameter and A comma B, and now we can create ARR equal to A plus B. Okay, now I'm going to sort this array ARR dot sort And now middle one, that means m1 equal to error of len error by 2, and m2 should be error of len error by 2 whole of -1 element, and we have to return the average. Return m1 plus m2 divided by 2. Did the question say oh, so we do not have to do integer division, or we can give like this also, decimal value answer. So for test case I am going to write 1, 12, 15, 26, 38, 1, 12, 15, 16, 15, 26, 38, and another array is 2, 3, 17, 30, 45. 2, 3, 17, 30 and 45. So let's run this array, run this input, and hope we get the correct answer. Okay, so 16 is our answer, and here is also 16. Now I give 10 and 21 as our input, only 10 in the first array and only 21 in the second array, and it should give us 15.5, and here it is 15.5 is our answer. Okay, so this is our brute force approach. The time complexity is big O of m plus n plus big O of n log n. Okay.